Students, welcome to the channel. Students, today we are going to start a new practice set number 5 on the page number 6 of your test book. Okay, now in the fourth part, to construct a right angle triangle, given the hypotenuse on one side, and the hypotenuse is given, and also one side is given, and we need to construct the right angle triangle. Okay, we have already completed the practice set number 4. Okay, if you have not yet seen, please go to the video, or I'll give you the I button also on the top of the screen. If you see, you can click on the link also, and you can watch this entire video also. So today we are going to complete practice set number 5. Okay, so let's start our new video. Okay, I have already written the question as usual. Okay, for your reference and for my reference, and we can start this video. Okay, now what we do is normally we can start here. In triangle LMN, measure of angle MLN, MAN, okay, 90 degree, length AN is equal to 8 centimeter and length MN is equal to 10 centimeters. So what we do is, first of all, we have to draw the rough figure. Okay, rough figure, you can say analytical figure also. So in rough figure, we'll draw one right angle triangle. Okay, so see, I am drawing the right angle triangle like this. Okay, and suppose this is AN. So AN is 8 centimeter. We have to draw a line of AN 8 centimeter. This is exactly straight. This is right angle triangle. Okay, this is M, and MN is 10 centimeters. So we have to take 10 centimeter, and this is normally our X is there. Okay, so very simple. Normally what we do is, first question we'll draw the figure also, and we'll write the steps for construction also. Okay, and second, third and fourth question, okay, we also doing, but the steps of construction you have to write on your own. Okay, it will enhance your skill also, understanding the question and the steps of the figure. Okay, so let's start. What we do is, first of all, take the ruler and we draw a 8 centimeter line of 8 centimeter exactly at the center of the page. Presentation wise, it looks very nice. So we'll draw 8 centimeter here. Okay, 8 centimeter, and 8 centimeter of AN. So we'll write step by step AN 8 centimeter. Okay, now after that, with A as a center, we have to draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so we'll draw right angle with the use of a protractor. See, protractor I am putting on the edge of A. Okay, now here exactly this is 90 centimeter, 90 degree. Okay, so this is nothing but our right angle. So we'll join both this point, exactly the same line. Okay, straight line. Then after that, what we do is, with N as a center, we have to draw 10 centimeter. We have to draw an arc of 10 centimeter. So what we do is, we'll take a scale first. Okay, and also the compass. We'll measure 10 centimeter on the ruler. So this is 0, and exactly we need to take 10 centimeter. Okay, it's a bigger side. Okay, see, it's a 10 centimeter now. Now what we do is, we have to put on the N as a center. Okay, and we have to draw an arc over here. Okay, so what we do is, what we got here, an arc, and this point of intersection, okay, and this end, we need to join it. Okay, so we need to join this. So this is what we have taken, 10 centimeter. Okay, and this is nothing but our X, and this is your triangle, required triangle LMN, and this is 90 degree. See how simple it is. So let's do the steps for construction also. Come on. So steps for construction. So what is the first thing we have taken here? 8 centimeter of a line AN. Okay, so we have to write here as, draw a line. First point, draw a line. AN is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, now second point, with A as a center. Okay, draw an angle XAN of 90 degree. Okay, so with A with A as center, okay, draw angle, okay, we'll take 3-digit angle, angle XAN, angle XAN is equal to 90 degree, okay. You can write simply angle A also 90 degree. See, a 90 degree sign is there, okay. Now with the N as a center and take a 10 centimeter as a radius, cut an arc, okay, on X and A, okay, and name it as point M, okay. तो ऐसा लिखते हैं हम लोग. So with N as center, with N as center, okay, and 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter as radius, cut an arc, right, cut an arc here, okay, on X and A, on XA, and name it at point M, and name it as point M, okay. Now the next step is we need to join M and N. So fourth point we write join MN. So therefore our triangle MNN is a required triangle, is the required triangle, okay. So I hope you are understanding here, okay. It's very simple, very easy, okay. First question. So let's have a second question, okay. Second question also we are drawing the figure only. You have to draw the steps for construction, you have to write it, okay. We'll draw a rough figure and the main figure. So here also in the right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU 5 centimeter, okay. So we'll draw a rough figure, okay, rough figure here. Suppose this is the right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse, okay. So suppose this is normally S and this is U, okay, and this is T and S, okay. This is right angle triangle. TS is 4 centimeter, okay. Here ST is given, we'll take TS 4 centimeter, and then after that SU is 5 centimeter, okay. So let's draw the main figure. First of all, what we do is we'll take a TS or ST as a 4 centimeter of length. So we'll draw exactly the center, 4 centimeter. See, this is 4 centimeter, okay. We'll write TS 4 centimeter, okay. Now after that we need to take a 90 degree, okay. So exactly 90 degree we need to take it, okay. So here I have taken right angle, so this is a 90 degree. Draw a line straight. So this is 90 degree. Suppose this is X, okay. Then after that we need to take an 5 centimeter by using the compass, okay. So we'll take 5 centimeter here. See, I have taken 5 centimeter, okay. So what we do is, putting on S, we need to draw an arc of 5 centimeters. See, 5 centimeters, we got a point of intersection here. So we need to join this point and this point, okay. So this is our required triangle. This is 5 centimeter we have taken, okay, and this is U, exactly USTU is our required triangle, okay. I hope you are getting it, okay. So let's take the next question. In triangle ABC, length AC 7.5, ABC 90 degree, BC 5.5. So what we do is, first we take BC as a 5.5, okay. In the rough figure you can take BC, okay. We'll draw a right angle triangle, suppose, okay. So suppose this is BC 5.5 centimeter, this is right angle, and this is A 7.5 centimeter, and normally this is our X as a point, okay. So how it is simple. So let's take it BC, a length of 5.5 centimeters. So let's draw BC, Okay, BC 5.5, a length of 5.5 centimeter. So see, this is 5.5 and this is our length. So BC is 5.5 centimeter. We need to take it down here. After that, we need to use the protractor taking a 90 degree. Okay, measure of angle ABC. So on putting on the edge of B, we have to take a right angle. So give a mark on the 90 degree and join both these points straight ekdam. Okay, suppose now we have to take AC as a 7.5 centimeter. So take a 7.5 centimeter here. See, this is 0 and this is exactly 7.5. Okay, so on putting on the edge of C, taking C as a center, as a radius, okay, and put an arc over here. So this is the point of intersection, we got it. Okay, now we need to join it for required triangle. So joining this line, we got the required triangle. So this is nothing but your triangle ABC as a 90 degree, and this we have taken 7.5 centimeter, and this is as usual point X. See, simple, eh? Okay, so let's go ahead with the next question. Steps, you need to write it down on your own. Okay, it's very simple. Now let's take the fourth question. Again, in triangle PQR, length PQ 4.5 centimeter, length PR 11.7 centimeter. Again, measure of angle PQR is 90 degrees. So what we do is, first we draw the rough figure or analytical figure. Very important. So in the rough figure, what we do is, we'll take PQ as a 4.5 centimeter. I'll draw a rough figure over here. First I am taking PQ as a 4.5 centimeter, and see here what we do is PQR. No? So we'll take this Q and we'll take this as a P. Okay, angle Q, see the center, the angle is center Q. So this is 90 degree. Okay, so the remaining here is R, and this is PR. PR or RP 11.7 centimeter. So this we have to take 11.7 centimeter. Okay, done. So let's take first step. We have to take 4.5 centimeter as a length. So we need to take here 4.5 centimeter. Okay, here 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and this line is nothing but Q and P, because angle Q is 90 degree over here. So we need to take 4.5 centimeter. Then again, using the protractor, we need to take a 90 degree. So this is a 90 degree exactly straight line. So this is nothing but exactly straight line, 90 degree. Okay, you can give the sign also. By now taking P as a center, we need to take 11.7 centimeter. Again, it's a very big measurement, so we need to take 11.7 centimeter on the scale. Okay, so this is 0, and again we need to extend it. Okay, okay, so this is 11.7 centimeter. So what we do is, we need to mark over here, and we need to extend the line. Okay, we need to extend this 90 degree line. So suppose this is X and this is center of point. Now we need to join it here. So need to join here. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle, we got it, required triangle, and this is nothing but we have taken the measurement 11.7. You need to take the exactly 11.7 centimeter. Okay, and this is nothing but your R. So this is required triangle PQR. Okay, now suppose this last question very interesting, students. Students should take any example of their own, okay, and practice construction of triangles. So we need to take any examples. So we'll take any example. Suppose in the rough figure, I am taking any value of your choice. Okay, it's an open-ended question. So you need to take any value. Okay, suppose I am taking Mn of 5 centimeter. Okay, and this is 90 degree. This is suppose required triangle LMN. this is x, and this is, suppose n is 8 centimeter. Okay, so any value you can take it, is your choice. Okay, so now we have to take, first step is 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter of mn. So this is exactly 5 centimeter we have taken. Okay, now this is mn, 5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to take a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle, exactly putting on the edge of the m, and this should be also straight line on the protractor. So this is, we have marked 90 degree, and we need to join this line both. Okay, exactly the straight. Now we have to take 8 centimeter. Okay, on the scale. So we have to take n as a radius as a center. So suppose this is, okay, 8 centimeter this is. So what we do is, n as a radius as a center, we need to mark over here. Okay, so now we got the point of intersection here. So we need to join this arc and n point. Okay, so this is the required triangle, we got it. This is, suppose this is LMN required triangle, this is point X, and this we have taken 8 centimeter. See how it is simple, very simple. Okay, practice set. So how you like this practice set, please make a comment on that, right? If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and please press the bell icon to take all the notification, okay, of our latest video. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Okay, keep watching Zoya Maths Academy.